We got something special today. You know what today is? Our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right. I know, Chad's in the camera back there, behind us. Hi.
We always have something special for today.
Of course. Well, today is, this is going to be like an Asian papaya salad. I believe this is a green papaya. As you can see that's peanuts. And then there's a sauce in there that they make, and this is basil, Asian basil. And then this is like a marinated pork. And we're gonna mix it all up in this bowl, and we're gonna take it outside and enjoy our little lunch. All right, well anyway, okay, so I wanna mix it all up. I wanna put the papaya. Papaya. Okay. Start from. All right, we're gonna put the papaya in the bowl first. Okay. Well, I guess some of the basil. It's all gonna go in there. It doesn't really matter.
It's gonna go in there anyway.
It's all gonna go in there. Kind of want the nuts or the peanuts to be on top. Got the pork. Marinated barbecue. Almost looks like bacon, huh? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you guys, we got this at that food to go place when we went to California. This is one of our favorite things we like to get. Did you see that little trick? But I want the nuts to be on top after you stir and pour everything in there. But that's the sauce.
What's it called?
I don't know.
Oh.
I think there's fish sauce and some other seasonings and stuff in there. And then you just pour it on there and then you mix everything up. Might have a little bit of garlic, it looks like. And then, see? You just toss it all up. Mix it, mix it, mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix. Alright. Almost. Alright, well we're gonna finish just mixing this up and getting it all separated for Chad and I. And we're gonna taste it for you. Alright you guys, we got it all mixed up. This is Asian papaya salad. I think it's green papaya, peanuts, and a little like slivered up, sliced up, however you want to call it, barbecue pork with some basil. Yeah, that's basil in there. So ready to go try it. We gotta go outside and eat it. Chad and I will try it for you. We get our stuff. And okay, you guys ready? Let's go. Come on, outside.
Oof. Oof.
I think we need a. Ready? All right, you guys. Well, we got the papaya salad ready. We're ready to try it. But first, I wanted to tell you, I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. Thank you so much. Aw, and my buddy Chad. I almost forgot about you. No, just kidding. No, and my buddy Chad. He's always with me. You guys know that. But anyway, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and share my videos, you guys, okay? And so let's do this. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing Wednesday Hump Day Food Day videos or my adventures. You want some? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give you some. Look.
What do you think I am?
Oh. Yummy. Yum.
Yum,
some.
yum, yum.
Give me some.
Thanks.
I want some peanuts. Hold on. You can. I'm gonna give you more.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, of course, buddy. There's some more.
Wow.
Mmm. One for you. One for me.
And
one for you. And
two more for you.
3 more for me. No, just kidding. A little bit more here. I'll do some more. A little bit. Just 2. Thanks. Is it about even? Even, Steven? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, we got a little bit of a cloudy and wind. It's starting to get a little breezy out here. But that's okay. Alright, this is our papaya salad.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look so yummy? Looks so delicious. Little peanuts and barbecue pork. Cheers, buddy.
Yup.
Cheers.
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 Yeah.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Okay.
Ting.
A little bit of a tang. So it must be a little bit of chili in there. But that's not overpowering. And you have a nice subtleness of the papaya. Nice and fresh flavor.
Mm-hmm.
The barbecue pork is really good. Let me see. It's nice and tender. It's not overcooked. Has a nice even like barbecue flavor. Kind of like those little barbecue ribs that you get, and then you get a little crunchiness from the peanuts and a little hint of the basil. Mmm.
I like this one. I'm not the one who usually has this one. I've always been wanting to have this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chap and I usually eat this one. This is one of our favorites. I like the roasted peanuts. Gives it a nice little crunch, and the papaya is just refreshing. A nice hot summer day, this would be
Nice.
really delicious to have.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, oh yeah. That's really good. I like it. No, just move that over there a little bit. Get a little bit of everything. Get a nice yummy bite. See? Delicious, huh?
Yeah, a little juicy.
Little juicy, yeah, yeah.
Stuck in my braces.
Yeah. The
Everything.
everything is, yeah. Well, I recommend this one. My star rating on this one is gonna be a 4.5. I don't know why not a 5. I guess everything can always have some kind of improvement. But I really like it a lot. I really recommend it. If you guys ever see anything like this in any of these Asian markets, that if you go to any Asian stores, little Asian markets or whatever, and you see this, don't be scared to try it. Give it a try, huh, Chad? Pretty good. I really like it. What's your star rating, bud? Alright, well anyway, you guys, I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for watching, and once again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share my channel out. I want to get these Asian foods out to people and share it so some people can really understand that it's really not bad to try new stuff. So give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye. It's not good if you don't get it on you.